Anouba criminal law ahum gi framework manungda Meeyam na justice Phangnaba Hotnasi haina High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na phongdorakli. Manipur State Legal Services Authority amadi Manipur lenga ke Department of Law and Legislative Affairs na punna sinduna leibak asida chatnaba haukraba Anouba criminal law singi matangda ngasidagi numit nini ki oiba orientation program ama haudokre. Palace compound laiba City Convention Center da pangthokiba 2 days orientation program on new criminal laws haudokpagi thauramadu Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul nahai trial procedure criminal procedure da thengnariba asida khudong chadaba kaya leiramba adu khara makhai kokhan bangamlagani Anouba criminal law ahum asina hana chatnaramba IPC CRPC amadi Indian Evidence Eke mahut sinkre leibaga asida chatnaba haukraba law ahum Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS amadi Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam BSA asigi pandamdi criminal law singda British loilam lenga ke mami tahandaba haibasini Anouba criminal law ahum asigi framework manungda Meeyam da achumba wayal phanghanaba honaminasi Amaromda ngasi orientation program adugi ahanba session da Family Court Thaubalgi Judge W Tonen Maitaina moderator oiduna trial procedure under BNSS Imphal East Family High Court ki Judge RK Memchana Sandokna wafum kaya thamki loinana orientation program adu da saruk yakhiba maruoina advocate amadi Manipur gi makok thongba police official kayana Anouba criminal law ahum asigi matangda wahang paukhum kaya taunaduna khanane nakhi Orientation program haudokpagi thauramadu Manipur High Court ki Judge Singh A Bimol A Guneshwar Sharma Glomai Gaiful Silu Manipur lenga ki Chief Secretary Dr Vinit Joshi amadi Manipur ki DGP Rajiv Sasu sarukyaki
Each and every one of you to participate and interact and engage with the resource persons and utilize this opportunity to deepen your knowledge and enhance your professional understanding of the procedures, the practice, and the substantive law. The success of our legal system depends on our collective efforts and our commitment to embracing and implementing these reforms effectively. We have to bring this to fruition. Otherwise, the laws will remain stillborn. In conclusion, I once again extend my gratitude to the SALSA as well as the Department of Law and Legislative Affairs.
Examine to 313 hana oramba 351 adu tawani sida sumai defense puthoganda sisu samani 266 da accused na magi statement ko pirigadi statement hapani adagi magna huziki kainoshi adu magi puthokada ko topani aduga kogi cross examination amu tahoge konoge haiba pani ma yani examination of the witnesses say defense kishu audio video electronic means at a designated place to be notified by the state government. Bahaya compoundable offense whereby nan ko whereby already koina disaster mean han law ko yedo state provision of hapsale simutamdi the message may after giving 30 days time to the complainant to be present and size of the victim centric hapsale ko victim di and the complainant to see the complainant the victim or be victim you have to be ma la train hekta to social ma la train hekta disaster thongul hota o da mata mama bibi bagi wani Sida 30 days time mama even in the sima hapsala